Hello, good morning, dear my student. Today we are going to the start of the Hindu newspaper. So related to the custom duty by wave of the available the COVID-19 relief today, migrant Nirmala Sitharaman said that environment by panel allowed by Great Nicobar plan to advance. Himanti to the take over the Assam CM today. Sonoval proposed by his name was the BJP legislature party mate. And then Delhi lockdown extended by 7 May. Unhappy to UP COVID-19 response. Court by this order by DSLS to comprehensive backing of the man who died in the custody. Crime branch by the conducted by multiple of the arrest to Navneet Kerala. SCTBT by assistance by further sustained by the COVID-19 statement over Chhattis Russell Stadium, bro by vaccine recorded in the police. YouTuber by Rahul Varna died on the various implementations. He did earlier by the PM to Deputy CM asking for the better treatment in the FB post. Capital recorded by lowest number of the daily case in the nearby a month. Sisodia less by the out of the center for exporting by 6.5 crore does not be vaccines. High Court asked government to create by the COVID-19 faculty and this COVID-19 situation. And helplessness by during the time led by the Godford project. Northeast News regional by found by Assam may be to be factor in loss by Congress alliance. Jammu Kashmir extended lockdown the 17 May. Administrator started reporting by the required health sector working medical officers. 13 persons by escaping by from the COVID-19 faculty in the Haryana. South direction news for Kerala police by crack down the on incentive by travel. Follow lockdown normal by Bangalore police chief. Karnataka test by positivity of remains the highly. Editorial lockdown gains. Editorial it is a very important in the civil service examination. Continuity by for evidence by electoral dominance. Dear student, opportunity nevertheless by exists for the political forces seeking in the residency by the power of the response of the more equability. Narendra Subhamle said that the dividends by parties maintained by their electoral domains in the first Tamil Nadu Legislative Assembly election by since the passing their earlier dominated leader Jayalalitha and M. Karunanidhi in the driven by Manatra Khajina DMK of the All by India Anna Dravida Munnetra Khaj Hanja grant 67.1% of the vote along the power the smaller Dravidian parties. At Emma by McKellar by the Moon entrance by Kajrang and the Meru Malirichi by Dravida Moon Netra Jahanjam by polluted by the 70.4%. This was the second highest of the vote share by the Dravidian parties, have not even drawn by only 3.5 percentage point of the lower than their highest share by 73.9% in the 2016. This amendment of the Dravidian by electron dominated. It is more sickening by the Khansha DMK anti-participate return to the power. Next topic is started dear milestone expansion by the outcoming. The AIADMK supported by seemed killer by the Adroll by then the DMK for the cause by the dependent for more than the charisma of the two successive by the leader MGR and Jayalalitha. Jayalalitha had not been developed in the success unlike Karunanidhi and the its party institution were the weaker by more ever. Since Jayalalitha was passing by the situation later been inadequately by independent on the central government of the insufficiently by definited by a state moderate welfare of the oriented by the supported in this Harvey by registered central authority by the Hindu majority by this wholesale by early by neoliberalism by the public in this politics, including by the adoption by the Citizenship Amendment Act, demonetization by the Jammu and Kashmir Union Territory, the adoption by the centralized the examination different state by school education, the direction by the aggregation by subsidiary on the recorded by the Corporation of the Agriculture, the DMK out operating from the AIA and DMK but not be overwhelmingly. It did not show by the 3.1 percentage point by the polling by the 35.1% of the latter 32.0% gaining by the 2.0 percentage of the point. Since the 2016 election bill, the AIADMK latest 9.1 percentage of the point. The 12.3% by the voter, the shifting of the between the major party of which worthless by the significant. The two measure by the alliance by the vote share by differently by the 5.7 percentage by point. The DMK led by secular progressive alliance by Green 45.4% to be AIA DMK led by National Democratic by alliance of the 29%. They are high commanded by the vote share by the 85.5 under the field by continuity by the drove in the list by electoral domination by the DMK, performed by the remainder by the strongest by the northern plain by this Cauvery by the delta. Wheeling the AIADMK by remained by the stronger, it is the western by the plain thought by the no longer the south. Conversely by political forest by the had adopted to benefit of the from this uncertain by leadership transmission by does not be grow and not be only. The older national party by the exchange by the Congress party the voted by share the declared by the formed 6.5% to the 4.3% party due to the connecting related and the vote share the declaring conducted by the unsteady by the download by the standard by 1989 when the 20.2%. Bharatiya Janata Party BJP demitted by the from the 2.9% to the 2.6%, perhaps by the because contrasted by the only 20 seat in the billing the viewer by the asset by 2016. In the Tamil Nadu, composed by the high of the 2.3% in the 2001 of the party formed by since the party composition by the changed into the 1989. Cash held by the party can be addressing by the major demography of the politic by the 13.0% compared by fair be to not be 14.4% in the 2016 and the higher of the to 14.4% in the 2016 and the natural by the party of the parliamentary engaged by a specified eastern by the religions group of the region by polluted by the 6.7% of the compared by the high of the 8.16 by 2011. The largest by new catch held by the party in the Nam Timilar Kochi TANT which policy by 6.6% followed by the AMK and Kamala Hassan Mukal Nidhi Membel that got by 2.3% each. This party overtook by the Desi of the Mopokula Dravida Kaj Hangam that polluted by merely by 0.4% in the contrast with the having the draw 2.4% to not by DNTKAR 1.1% in the 2016 and 8.4% in the 2016. The Vinya based on the particular by Makal Kachi PMK and remained by the largest by nation by party and not largest of the not cast for the party that together $6.0% by compared by the 7.7% in the 2016. Highest of the 8.1% by 2011, but not by gained by the 3.8% covered by their best or performance by the 5.9% 1991. Related to the BJP with the 2% by the remainder by the largest of the religion party on the together gained by 3.6% in the draw with the percentage of the to remain electrical by dominated by although the third social presence by the gradually declared by the science and the 1990. What has happened with the electron by trader will not be postponed. And then the situation how to be based on the sustained by the success. The Dravidian parties grew from the 1950 in the 1970 by the mobilizing by the mending and lower caste by the classes that other parties can be government had not been marginally by engaged. Aging population by the decision by the disconnecting by the people commodity from the electric based on the caste language dialectic by the occupation they are remanded to dominated subsequently by because they are formed by a stronger party institution of the end subscriber by the culture by the sustained by the although moderating by the eligibility by the development of the police of which not be returned by even well adopting by match the center naturalism by the ordinary by the from the 1980 most of the notable by the among such as the policy where than higher educational and job in reservation 60%. The middle by the meal scheme by the as basically by the improved by nutrition by health and education among the poorest by the higher investment in the education and property. Health by the and rural by employment program by the among the best of the implementation by the until by the 2016. The Dravidian by the party drove by closure of the unwieldy by mobile and peri village of the group of the from the 1970. There the reservation of the police benefit in the medical by eastern by much more than the Dalit and the Adivasi. They are doubled by these other backward classes. They quota to the 50% of the also can be traveled further, and 27% by this popularity population in the city, including by the many proposal by this caste of the rich Congovelia grounder rendered because they are promotion by the beneficially by the countries by the they are increased they are subsequent by the caste scheduled by the tribal quota to by under the fifth by fine 16% to the 19% below the group of the under. Counted by the popularity by the 21%. This is the was the party or balance on the brain true during this 1% ST try to not be 20% try to farm the most of backward glance the classes by the denoted by the country by 1899 72.3% by the Arunathian tiger of the 2019 Venus were granted to be 10.5 there within the MBC Kocha latest February 90 plastic of the PMK and boosted by the AIA-DMK electoral prospected by this uncertain by the distributed by the affected. Oh, this is the reducted. This is the DNC quota to 7% and not be allowed by other BMC to for 2.5%. Other Dravidians by the policies pro-version by the asset by the mainly to be affording by the mobile led ownership by and is neutral by reform the pre-mandy by the laptop by the maidens the transmit by former largely by former the middle by quota form this not be related to action by the Dalit. These are grouped by the label found livelihood. This solid sold by due to the declaring by irrigation of the soil fertility and benefited by from the generously subsidiary by the gardening by the input the credit and not icon waiver such as a politician and help lower by the mandate by intermediate by stringa maintenance by driven by the electron by prominations by the created by challenge can be casted and a classical inequality alternative by thereby prospected. These are the experience enabled to by Dravidian party dominance they told for, but not unlikely the industry by no sustenance by these are party withdrawal for mobilization from the 1990. Other outlook be together the inspiring by this civil society is spectacle by the cost of the also citizen by operation of the cooperation by the signatures and a religion nationalism by the effective from the party system. However, the foreign by minor inability by the limitation growth by the PMK it is the other by mandate cost of the parties from the 1989. That of the BJP, DMK, but and the Dalit by party account on the 1000 this NTA to science 2016. These are focused the focus remained by greater than the success of the nighting to the specify the custard others. PMK and the Dalit by properties to did not be south but likely the DMK and the NAT to revenue by the platform by ethno by linguists by politician building the asset by the driving the by the other of populism weighty population public figure by the not closely by associated with the popular later by sector cannot be language economic casted focus be outlined be focused and male hasten by Rajneesh have not implemented by the party cooperation to this singles that possible by this brightness of the for politician can be not be there seek the radiance by the power of the reasons by equality then evidence by party of did not if they are to not build some parties area need to exist by the political cause partner for the democracy Somewhere seek the limitation arose by the democracy and the party to not be left by the maintenance minority, raised not by the legal by the group of the around India under by the BJP rule by draw the of by assumed by the similarity election by results. The all by the Dada Trimool Part Congress in the West Bengal. To the left, Democratic Front by the Kerala and the DMK Tamil Nadu have been different by well resistant to the center of the Hindu majority of the centralization of the power. And then violations by the democratic nation by the their victory by showed at pair of political by all government by their limitation Hindu growth by the same regions. Thought less than West Bengal where the BJP vote by share increased by the 28 percentage point by the 2016. And the overlook by the commitment by the Party of the India MRX is by and on the Congress that become the Parliamentary Opposition Party. The better of the including by the Kerala and the West Bengal unlike the Tamil Nadu and increased their party on the 1.4 and 4.1 percentage by point represented by the well along by this improving positive veterans by their government. To consideration by the should not be deemed the power in France the about the constitution by BJP growth and the center by the authorities tender by the first by Tamil Nadu and Kerala and expanded by the session nearby the relation to be BJP formatism. Second by the design of the Indian NC metric by the lead of the earlier by grant by central of considerable by largely determined and convinced source by distribution and the authority over the current by subject. Which is has been used by actually by the according to the whether can single party permitted by the parliamentary representative by the centralization of the authority of the BJP governance can be looked by Lok Sabha majority party 2014 follow the devolution by the co-election by the governance from the 1989 to the 2014. And the earlier centralization of the Congress, the lead by government of the lead limitation of the ability to the recently elected opportunity by the state government and the state the central promotion by the authorization by the Hindu hegemony by this corrupted by the growth and the official by the democracy and the equality by the governance and this is significant by the corner further BJP growth. Thank you. Next, TRPIP waiver by the useful and the not migrant by pillar. The changing by the nature of the field left by the Kerala. Old age body by in the time of the tragedy. News COVID wave of the infilling by the without a proper protocol. Key suspended by the as aided by the attack the arrested in the world international news. It is a very important the civil service examination in this the men's paper 2. China rocket debris by the falls in the India Ocean near Maldives.